Hello there, this is Deepti from handmadebydeepti.com. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to make two geometric pattern birthday cards with a twist, and the twist is I'm going to use backside of the stamp for stamping. I will be using Kirali's hexagon and circle pattern bits and pieces Excel stamp set. You can find the list of the supplies in the description below. So let's get started. For the card base, I took Kirali's A4 size white cardstock, which I cut into two halves vertically and folded in two to make my card base. And for inking, I have used the Strix Oxides, where I chose pistachio colors, salty ocean for blue, and carved pumpkin for orange, and candied apple for red. Now I'm stamping the hexagon using the backside of one of the patterned hexagon from Bits and Pieces stamp set. This is such a fun technique if you really don't want to color, and this technique works best if the image is symmetrical. Here I'm stamping using these four colors which I've mentioned earlier, but you can choose the colors whatever you want. Here I'm done with the stamping, where I stamp the pattern only at the middle vertical part of the card base, but you can choose wherever you want. You can cover the whole card base, you can choose only the half or 1/4. There are so many possibilities and you can play around with it. And then I randomly stamp the patterns using black ink and same distress oxide colors to further add the interest. Here I'm done with the first background and it turned out to be quite bright and I really like it. For the second card I decided to use pastel colors, and for that I have used lightest shades of all new inks. And using the same technique I have stamped the circles covering whole card base instead of just a part of a card base, and then I stamped the patterns randomly. Here I took one darker shade of same colors and randomly stamped the pattern. Now my both the backgrounds are ready, one with a bright color and other one with the pastel colors. Now it's time to add the sentiment. For that I have used Kirali's Happy Birthday words ties with shadows. For the pastel colored background I decided to die cut out the sentiment on gold glitter cardstock and adhere it to the card base using glue. And for this dark and bright background, I die cut out the sentiment on black cardstock and added the vellum shadow to highlight it. For the final touch up, I added some gold sequins to complete these birthday cards. I really like how different they look just by changing the color using the same technique. I hope you get inspired. Let me know in the comment section below which one you like the most, bright one or the pastel one. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back here soon. Till then, bye bye.